Hello everyone, today we'll be going over the sample human informed consent form needed for ISEF registration. This is an example of the consent form that is given to participants involved in research. This example contains the minimum required amount of information, but feel free to add more information where you see fit. This form is vital to anything involving human participation, including if you are doing research on yourself. This form must be completed and reviewed by the IRB before any research involving humans is conducted. This form accompanies ISEF Form Number 4, Human Participants. So, let's get started. Instructions to the human researcher. An informed consent/assent/permission form should be developed in consultation with the adult sponsor, designated supervisor, or qualified scientist. For more information about what an adult sponsor, designated supervisor, and qualified scientist is, please refer to page 5 of the ISEF manual. Continuing on, it states that when written documentation is required, you, the researcher, keep all original signed forms. As a reminder, it says that students may use this sample form or may copy all elements of it into a new document. If this form is serving to document parental permission, a copy of any survey or questionnaire used must be attached. So first up is student researcher. Here's where you put your and your teammates' full names. Title of the project, you put the complete title of your project. The rest of this space will be used to describe your project. Purpose of your project. You will put an in-depth explanation of the goal of your project. Why are you doing this research? Next up, if you participate, you will be asked to. Here, you just need to list what is expected and required of the participants involved in your research project. Examples are, participants will be asked to complete a brief survey, or participants will be asked to complete a physical activity, such as walking 1 hour every day for this experiment. Time required for participation. Here's where you put the total anticipated amount of time that the participant will be involved in the study. Potential risks of the study. For this, you must include any physical, emotional, or psychological risks that could occur during or directly caused from participation in your study. Please be very thorough in this. Benefits. List all the benefits that participants might gain from participating in your research. How confidentiality will be maintained. In this, you must explain how you plan to keep all of the information gathered from the human participants confidential, meaning anyone not directly involved in research cannot gain access to it unless specifically stated by the participant. And then here you will put the name/phone and email of your adult sponsor, qualified scientist, or designated supervisor in case the human participant has any questions. And then everything from here down will be filled out by your participant if they choose to do so. It's stating that participation is completely voluntary and that they can stop at any time. Here, they would print, sign, and date, and then if they were under 18, their parent or guardian would also do so. And that is it for this form. Good luck on your competition.